So you've just bought and installed a new car seat for your child. Well, that's great. Now the question is, does it pass the inch test? A car seat that is properly installed should not move more than an inch from side to side or from front to back when being pulled on. This rule applies for both forward or rear-facing car seats. So give your car seat a check. If it feels too loose, well, it probably is. And now you have a way to double check.